It just started the first 3D print ever. Holy shit. Wow. This is kind of nerve-wracking. But yeah. We'll see what it does, how it works. But wow. I'm kind of nervous.